Next is a slide short term insurance. Short term insurance is purchased for a short period of time to meet the temporary insurance needs of those who purchase it. It includes vehicle, property, household, Medicare, personal, travel, and so on, except life insurance. The main difference between long term and short term insurance is a contract term. Next is a purpose. Purpose is it protects us and it is from losses, unforeseen events such as accidents, theft, fire, flood, etc. The coverage of a long short term insurance is a smaller claim of things that we may be changing a lot. Cover smaller claim of those things that we may be changing a lot, example vehicles and household. And it is an agreement between policy holder and insurer, limited amount of time, flexible also. It is a flexible insurance and it is taken by the buyer to meet the temporary needs. Policy cannot be renewed in short term insurance, and it's a 20 years policy or 50 years policy, whatever may be, the policy cannot be renewed in short term insurance. The benefits of the short term insurance is tax benefits. Under Section 80C Income Tax Act, tax exemption is provided for the person who applies for short term insurance. Same case in the case of long term also, tax benefit is applicable in case of long term insurance. And death benefits. Insured person dies, assured sum is allocated to the nominees. It's not given to the person, it is allocated to the nominees. Nominees based on the insurance plans. According to that, the amount also may vary. Next is the functions of short-term insurance. The amount of money paid insurer at pre-arranged intervals and the premium, that is the amount of money paid to the insurer at pre-arranged intervals, premium. This amount that is known as premium. What is called premium? The amount of money paid insurer at pre-arranged intervals, that is different in a year, either monthly or yearly, quarterly or half-yearly. The certain amount, fixed amount is being paid, depends upon the coverage of the insurance, that is known as premium. This amount according to the individual risk profile, depends upon the risk factor, it varies. If we are insuring our car, insurance provides us investigate on before insuring our car what all the investigation goes on, depends upon age, gender, driving record, value of the car, whether the car is parked, anti-theft devices are placed in the car. Depends on all these factor, the premium cost will be determined, premium amount will be determined. It depends upon the above factors, premium amount will be determined by the insurance company. And greater the risk, higher the premium cost. When we have the risk factor more, the premium cost also increases.